Hey, it's Sammy. On Wednesday, February 5th, we took 7 trades today in Dow Futures, the YM symbol, for 266 points. Each contract you trade is worth $5 a tick, which is the same value as a point on this particular instrument. This is our first trade, so you can see that we just have some short time frame data, but all the data is almost at the thresholds where this panel is going to light up. That's the advantage of using data. We're coming up through the value area high here, which is this purple dotted line, as well as deviation 1. You can see today that we're a little bit more aggressively trailing our stop up, and so we're going to even lock in more if anything goes wrong on this trade. And we got some lines. We're trying to get up to that deviation 2, but we're kind of stuck here at this gap, so we're going to lock in 40 points. Now you can see we have our signature soda reversal process kicking in off of the high a day where we've marked that. You can see that last long trade we were in, how it just consolidated at the top and made a high of day. So we're taking a very powerful mechanical with data confirmed reversal trade. Notice we have that stop loss already moved into profit. It's a risk-free trade at this point. As we go down through these levels, we can see VPOC, that white dash line right there. We're going to lock in just above that with 36 points. Now you can see the market came down. We're coming up here right back to that open price, and we're going to go ahead and go long through this gap and try to push a new high of the day. The trade is really struggling at this teal band, which is deviation 2. So we keep pushing a new high of day. We're just trying to get up to that third band and possibly even that GAN, which is that purple line with the green hash marks. Trade has got the stop loss moved already into a place of profit, so it's risk-free. So as this trade unfolds, you can see all that powerful data that's pulling this trade up. We're going to lock in right here with 37 points. Once again, we created a new high of day, so we now are taking that signature soda reversal trade. We're just working our way down from VWAP all the way through to that red line basically down there, which is the deviation 1. Most traders find it incredibly difficult to take these kind of trades and switch directions so quickly with the market. But we have the optimizer giving us this data, showing us it's exactly when to enter, exactly when to exit with these powerful price levels, and we're going to go ahead and lock in 27 points down here. If you see that purple bar right there, that's the red news, the 10 a.m. East Coast ISM manufacturing news. It was what we call a setup, or basically a stop hunt, giving traders the opportunity to re-enter. We're using the short time frame data because all of the high time frame data has decayed for this short move. So we're re-entering the market based off of that red news being a false event. With the optimizer, we're able to take advantage of these situations and continue trading. You can see we quickly drop down and lock in 56 points. This is the best part about the optimizer. Notice how we have all of this data, tons of momentum, tons of sentiment, numeric values, color-coded with a heat map, plus volatility breaks. There is no other tool on the market like that. This allows us to look and see what's happening here. We're pushing a new high of day with this incredible data. We're going up to this resistance level, this GAN level, and deviation 3. We're going to lock in 26 points right here. I took a look right around 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and you can see here the optimizer was fully lit up. Look at all that incredibly powerful data telling us the market's going long again. We have our take profit set right at that 138.2 Fibonacci level. Trade was protected. We just let this trade run for a few minutes and had 44 points.